How to fix GCash access temporarily blocked. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you've opened GCash and you're getting a message that says your access is temporarily blocked. Really stressful, especially when you need to send money or pay for something urgently. Don't panic though, this is fixable, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do right now. Let's get into it. Why this happens first, let's understand why GCash blocks access temporarily. The most common reasons are too many failed PIN or MPIN attempts, suspicious activity detected on your account, logging in from an unfamiliar device or location, or a security flag triggered by GCash's system. In most cases, it is a protective measure and not a permanent ban. Fix 1. Wait it out. If your account was blocked due to too many wrong PIN attempts, the simplest fix is to just wait. GCash temporary blocks usually lift automatically after 24 hours without you doing anything. So if it is not urgent, close the app, wait until the next day, and try logging in again with your correct MPIN. Do not keep attempting to log in while blocked, as this can extend the lockout period. Fix 2. Reset your MPIN. If waiting is not an option, you can reset your MPIN to regain access faster. On the GCash login screen, look for the Forgot MPIN option and tap it. You will be asked to verify your identity through your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP that gets sent to your SIM. Follow the steps to create a new MPIN, and your access should be restored immediately after resetting. Fix 3. Verify your identity through the app. Sometimes GCash blocks access because it needs to re-verify who you are, especially after suspicious activity. When you open the app, look for any prompts asking you to verify your identity. This might involve taking a selfie, uploading a valid ID, or answering security questions. Complete whatever verification GCash is asking for, and your account will be unblocked once the verification is approved. Fix 4. Contact GCash support. If none of those options are working or the block is not lifting on its own, contact GCash support directly. You can reach them through the GCash Help Center inside the app, through their official Facebook page, or by calling the GCash hotline. Explain your situation clearly, provide your registered mobile number, and their team can manually review and unblock your account. Response times vary, but the official support channels are the most reliable path to a full resolution. Fix 5. Prevent IT from happening again. Once you're back in, make sure you save your correct MPIN somewhere safe, so you never enter it wrong multiple times again. Also, enable biometric login using your fingerprint or Face ID, so you rarely need to type your MPIN manually. And if you're traveling or using a new device, let GCash verify it properly before making transactions to avoid triggering security flags. And those are all the fixes for GCash access temporarily blocked. Wait it out, reset your MPIN, complete identity verification, or contact support if needed. You will be back in your account in no time. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.